Me and Grandma Nancy had that shit pushing out the door. She was the only one who can show up to my crib. I'm in the middle of the circle. I'm in a cul-de-sac where everybody can see my spot. But we locked in tight and put it all together. I had everybody going to a crib for sure. Had every crackhead in the cut. Sailboat Bay make everything go crazy. I was sitting around cooking everything up in the kitchen. I remember them people hit the door. I about flushed everything down the damn toilet. My grandma had my back, I'm being real about her for sure. Yeah, Nancy, you know how this shit is.